Hello students, in this video you are going to learn about RLC series circuit. That means resistor, inductor, capacitor are connected in series. So what will be the current in different cases and further representation of voltage and current in different cases. So those things you are going to learn in this video. Consider resistor, inductor, capacitor are connected in series as shown in this figure. So we can observe the figure in this slide. So resistor, inductor, capacitor are connected in series. So voltage drop across resistor is VR, voltage drop across capacitor is VC, and voltage drop across inductor is VL. So you can observe the voltage drops in the diagram, and current flowing in the RLC will be same. So since it is a series circuit, the current will be same across, the current flowing will be same in all the elements: R resistor, L inductor, C capacitor. So since since current is same, so what we have to do? So while we are drawing the phasor representation for RLC series circuit, we have to consider current is a reference. Current will be the reference. See here we have three different cases. The case one is when XL is more than XC. There is one case, and second case is XC is more than XL, and third case is XL equal to XC. So here we have three different cases. In first case, case number 1. In first case, this RL series circuits acts like a RL series circuit. So RL series circuit. Okay. So RL series circuit acts like a RL circuit when XL is greater than XC. So inductive reactance is more than the capacitive reactance, then the RL series circuits acts as a RL series circuit. So in this case, the current flowing in this circuit is Im into sine of, in this first case, I is equal to Im sine of omega t minus pi. So this is the one, and voltage is V is equal to Vm sine omega t. So in the first case, so circuit acts like a RL series circuit, and current flowing in the circuit will be Im sine omega t minus pi, V is equal to Vm sine omega t. So what we can say that the voltage leads the current by an angle pi, in this case. Okay, and power P is equal to, VI cos pi. So by substituting voltage current equations in power equation, P is equal to VI. So if you substitute V and I values in this equation, you will get VI cos pi. Okay, that is the case 1. And coming to the case 2. So case 2 is when capacitive reactance is more than inductive reactance, then circuit acts like a RC series circuit. So when RC series circuit, the current flowing is I is equal to Im sine of omega t plus pi. So here plus will come. So voltage across the circuit will be same, Vm sine omega t. The power also will be same, P is equal to V into I. If you substitute, finally you will get Vi cos pi. Okay. So in this case, current and voltage phasor representation will be, the voltage lags the current by an angle pi. So okay na? So these are the different cases. And coming to the third case, so in third case, XL is equal to XC. So in this case, the RL series circuit acts like a pure resistive circuit. Means, so resistive resistance circuit. Okay. So in this case, when XL is equal to XC, So these circuits acts like a pure resistive circuit. Then so voltage and current phasor representation will be in phase. Voltage, current, if you take, will be both will be in phase. So here voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t, and I is equal to Im sin omega t. Both will be same. So there is no phase difference between voltage and current, since so voltage and current will be in, both are in be in phase with each other, in phase with each other. Okay. So these are the constraints, three constraints we have, three different cases. When XL is equal to greater than XC, this circuit acts like a pure, the circuit acts like a RL circuit, and the XL is greater than XC, then the circuit acts like a RL circuit, RL series circuit. XC is greater than XL, then the circuit acts like a RC circuit, and XL is equal to XC, XL is equal to XC, then the circuit acts like a pure resistive circuit. Okay. So these are the things, three cases. So pure resistive, RL circuit, RC circuit, pure resistive circuit. So these are the three cases you have to explain with phasor representation also, phasor representation of voltage and current, and also you have to explain about power equation. So this is a very one of important question. So you have to practice these three cases. So here voltage V is equal to Vrms, I is equal to Irms, so voltage across Vr is equal to I into R, voltage across inductor L is equal to I into XL, voltage across capacitor is equal to I into X. So these are the things, so what we have explained here. Three cases, these three cases you have to explain neatly, you have to explain, and for explanation you refer my notes what I have uploaded in Google Classroom. Okay, please download that notes and you can get clear idea. And also in that material you have problems based on RL circuit, RC circuit, RLC series circuit. Those problems also you have to practice. More number of problems I have uploaded, I have prepared in material. Please download that material and practice this topic. Okay. So this is one of important thing. So this maybe will be asked for your examination. So either problem or either explanation they will ask. Please prepare well. Okay, thank you everyone.